Welcome back to Raching Cars, your go-to place for epic rides, powerful machines, and jaw-dropping custom builds. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting van transformations of the year, the 2025 Toyota Hiace SLWB, modified to perfection for the modern era. This isn't your average people mover, this is a luxury beast on wheels with every component upgraded for performance, comfort, and style. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Hiace SLWB gets a full body kit with custom bumpers, a bold front grille, smoked LED headlights, and stylish DRLs that give it a futuristic vibe. The paint job features a matte metallic gray finish, paired with gloss black accents and 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. The suspension has been upgraded to an adjustable air ride system, allowing it to cruise low or rise for tough roads at the touch of a button. Under the hood, this modified van retains the powerful 2.8L turbo diesel engine but gets a performance remap, boosting torque for smoother acceleration even when fully loaded. The addition of a custom dual exhaust setup not only improves airflow but also gives it a deeper, sportier sound. Step inside, and you're greeted with a first-class cabin experience. The entire interior has been reupholstered with premium leather in a two-tone finish. The driver's cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto touchscreen display, wireless charging pad, and a custom steering wheel with multifunction controls. In the rear, luxury captain seats with recliners, massage functions, ambient lighting, fold-out tables, and a mini fridge turn this Hiace into a mobile lounge. Tech-wise, it's loaded, from a 360-degree camera system to rear-seat infotainment screens, advanced climate control, and even solar charging for auxiliary batteries that power the entertainment and lighting systems. Safety hasn't been compromised either, with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all integrated into the build. Whether you're using it for high-end transport, business, or as a personal cruiser, this 2025 modified Hiace SLWB is a blend of utility and luxury, unmatched in its class. If you're a van enthusiast or love custom rides, this build is guaranteed to inspire. That's it for today's feature on Raching Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a wild machine like this. See you in the next ride.